Castmagic automatically gives you a clean transcript broken out by all the different speakers.
Hello guys, I'm come back again with a new Appsumo deal review. This tools is Castmagic tools. Basically, this tools is streamline your podcast production, get show notes, summarize key topic, quotes and more. Using these tools, you can automate tedious editing and post production for work for podcast, delivering transcripts, summarize and other assets. And these tools save you time and focus on creating high quality content. This price is $39. If you want to get discount Castmagic tools, you will buy Castmagic tools to give my link. In that case, you can get 10% discount. I will give a Castmagic buying link in the description box below. If you are a content creator, podcast and social media marketer, this tools best for you. And best alternative to Descript. This tools is game-changing tools to the tedious process of extracting valuable content from podcast. Within Castmagic, you can turn your podcast audio into ready-to-use content in a matter of minutes using cutting AI technology and putting your post-production process on autopilot. Now I will show you how to use Castmagic tools and how to create high-quality content and save you time. I hope you will get idea about this tool, so let's go and see.
Hey guys, this is Castmagic, and it's the fastest way to get all your podcast show notes and post-production content in a click. We built it because it takes a lot of work to extract all the value covered in long format audio. So clicking in here, if we want to process an episode, all we do is upload the MP3 file. After we've done that, we're able to click in the episode, and Castmagic automatically gives you a clean transcript broken out by all the different speakers. Here we have an analysis section, so you've got summary, entities discussed in the show, topics, sentiments, and positive and negative statements broken out by all the different speakers. And over here in our AI content, we automatically generate title variations for you, a bio about the speaker, an introduction to that specific episode, a timestamp overview broken out by chapters, topics and bullets covered in the show, quotes, hooks, and timestamps for short video clips, and then also social ready content. So here we have different content that you could use for LinkedIn, as well as content you can use for Twitter inspo. So check it out.
Here you can see Castmagic tools price and sales overview. It is a 5-star rating and so far 3 people review. Usually you can check whether a tools is good or bad, some issue like how many tools have been sold, how the rating is and the latest customer feedback. Okay guys, I am recording this video. Castmagic deal have been launched on Appsumo only 1 day ago. Within 1 day these tools have gotten 3 people review and everyone is giving 5-star review. So I think these tools must be good for you, and this price is very cheap, only $39, and you have to pay at once. After that you can use these tools for the rest of your life. Okay, buying these tools, what benefit will you get? It's given here. There are 3 plans available: plan 1, plan 2 or plan 3. When you purchase plan 1, then you are getting 2 episodes per month and 100 minutes in cloud, 1 show, and this price is $39. If you are a smaller, then you can purchase plan 1 and it's enough. If you need more episode and time minute, and then you can purchase plan 2 or 3. Plan 2, then you are getting 5 episodes per month and 200 minutes in cloud and 1 show. This price is $78. Plan 3, then you are getting 10 episodes per month and 500 minutes in cloud and multiple show. This price is $117. If you like and buy this product, just click here. If you want, you can buy a plan. After buying these tools, if you don't like it, don't worry about your money. Appsumo will give you 60-day money back guarantee, so you can return it anytime. This tools is amazing tools to have so many topic in one tools. We all know that podcasts are picked with valuable insight, but mining this insight manually take time and effort. Plan and future. The most important things, when you purchase Castmagic tools from Appsumo, then you will get in this benefit. Otherwise, you will not get in this benefit. So I strongly recommended you must buy Castmagic tools from Appsumo. Okay, first condition is lifetime access to Castmagic. When you purchase Castmagic tools from Appsumo, then you will get access to these tools. All future starter plan update. That means these tools are updated every few days. When these tools are updated, as soon as you will get access to these tools. 60-day money back guarantee. After buying these tools, within 60-day use, if you feel that these tools are not suitable for your use or you are not getting benefit mentioned here, so you can return it anytime. You want to know more about these tools? You can see the link in the description box below. Thank you for watching my video, and next time I will come again with another deal.